Si meron at meron yan sa exam. There is always the component of time. For the third module, ito na. May introduce na yung study system. Mai-introduce na yung study plan na dapat na magtratrabaho para sa iyo. Sa pag-prepare kasi ng civil service, hindi pwede na answer at answer at answer ka lang ng questionnaire without the blueprint, without the plan on how to execute, on how to do, on how to face the examination. It is normal na kailangan talaga natin ng blueprint. Tawag nila na blueprint sa pag-face po ng examination. Kasi pag wala ito, para tayong nawawala sa wilderness. Tinatawag nila doon. Would be like birds that are flying in the wilderness. Hindi alam kung saan yung patutunguhan. Dito na, meron tayong structured study plan.